So this video is just going to do a quick rundown of the graph that you guys created. So obviously this graph was looking at the neutrons of different atoms, and what we see is we see this line, which basically follows the first 20 elements on the periodic table really nicely. And then what we see is the elements above atomic number 20 all having number of neutrons that are above this line. So what I would like you guys to do in your notes, where you copy down this graph, is let's label this 1 to 1. So this line graph right here represents 1 to 1, meaning 1 proton for each neutron. So when I have 1 proton, I'm going to have exactly 1 neutron as well. And what we see then, after we reach element number 20, is that I have more than 1 neutron per proton. Like if we look at this example right here, I have somewhere around probably about 60 neutrons, and I have somewhere around 40 some protons. So I see that I'm starting to have more and more, and we see because these data points are getting further and further away from this line, that we're having more and more neutrons for every 1 proton that we have within the atom. And so radioactivity is really just looking at the idea of why do we need these number of neutrons, what's the purpose, and so that's what we're going to look at for the remainder of the activity.